How to remove a trusted device on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using Binance and want to remove a trusted device from your account, firstly open the Binance application and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on the menu button at the top left corner from the home page, and then on the next page, go ahead and click on your name at the top. Now click on Security. Inside the Security tab, scroll down and tap on Devices. Under Devices, you'll see the list of devices that are currently linked to your account. If you want to remove a specific device, tap the Logout button right next to one of the login infos. Confirm the logout by tapping on Yes, and you'll be able to remove the trusted device on Binance. Currently, I only have one specific device that has been logged into Binance, so it is showing me only one option over here. But if you have multiple logins, you will be able to see the list over here on the page. Just find one of the logins and tap the logout button and confirm the logout to remove any trusted device. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.